Today, we will create something new and very amazing. Nowadays, you can see that these types of videos are becoming very viral. As you can see, this video has 35 million views. A camera is attached on the laser, and the camera goes inside the laser. Or you can watch this video as well. It has 38 million views. A camera is attached on the snap, and when the snap goes inside, there are many snaps already inside a hole. In the same way, you can also create videos like this very easily. I have explained a very easy and simple method. As you can see, this channel has uploaded only 19 videos and has 113k subscribers. It uploads these types of videos. Another channel has uploaded 11 videos and it also has 41k subscribers. You can also create these types of videos very easily. I have explained the method using just one prompt. First, watch this video. You must have watched the video. You can also create videos exactly like this very easily, using just one prompt, and it is 100% free. You don't need to buy any paid version. Everything I will tell you today is completely free. If you are new, then subscribe to my channel and like the video. Now, let's start how you can create videos exactly like this. First of all, this is the prompt that I will give you in the YouTube comment section. I will show you how to use it. What I do is simply copy this prompt and go to Leonardo AI, then paste it there. When I paste the prompt, you will see that after a few seconds, the image will be generated. As you can see, the image has already been created. Now I will show you in this video how you can change this image. By using this prompt, you only need one prompt and you can add any animal you want. You can add any small animal of your choice. I will also give you around 15-20 animal names so you can easily replace them, or you can add any animal you like. For example, I copied the prompt and then I write, "Please remove the earwig," and add a snake. When I write something like this, the prompt is updated. As you can see, the earring has been removed and the snake has been added. Then I simply paste the updated prompt again, and after a few seconds, the image will start generating. Now I will show you how we can change it again. For example, instead of a snake, we can add a lizard. So I write, "Please remove the snake and add a lizard." ChatGPT will update the prompt again. When the prompt is updated, I paste it again, and you can see that now the lizard has appeared in the image. So this is how you can create many images using just one prompt. In the next step, I will show you how to create the full video for free. Now what we will do is create the video. To make the video, I go to Google and search GetFlow. The first website that appears is Flow Labs. You just need to click on it. After opening the website, you will see an option called Create with Flow. Simply click on it. When you click on it, a page like this will appear. This is a very amazing website. I will show you how I create videos easily using just one simple trick. As you can see here, it shows 120 credits, and it says credits refresh daily. This means every day you will get 120 credits. With these credits, you can create 6 videos daily on one email account. Now I will use my prompt here. This is my prompt, and I paste it here. You can also choose your video size and other settings according to your preference. After that, you will see an option called VEO. Just select it and paste your prompt. Here I have 6 prompts, so I will paste them one by one. You can see that all the videos start generating automatically. You don't need to wait and generate one video at a time. Just copy and paste all 6 prompts one by one. After a short time, you can see that the videos have started generating. The result is really amazing. I created 6 videos step by step using 6 prompts. For example, you can see a scene like an ant going inside a house, and it looks like a small camera is following it. It shows how many ants are inside and what is happening inside the house. The AI creates all these scenes automatically. So this is a very easy method to create videos. You can also make videos like this very easily. The results are really impressive. This is a great website where you can create videos for free. Now I will show you the second website where you can also create videos for free. Now let's talk about the second website, which is grok.com. This is a very good website where you can create AI videos easily. For example, you need to copy the same prompt that I showed you earlier. First, try to understand the prompt once. If you still don't understand it, don't worry. I will also give you a list of animal names. From those names, you can choose any animal you like. For example, if you want to add a lizard, you can write something like, "Please remove the earring and remove the snake, and add a lizard." When you write this, you can see that the prompt changes automatically. You can also choose the video size. It depends on whether you want to create YouTube videos or Reels. If you want to make Reels, you should select 9:16 size because Reels usually perform faster and get more views. For YouTube, you can choose the normal YouTube size. Don't worry, I will give you the complete prompt so you can easily copy and use it. Now you can see that the lizard has been added to the prompt. After that, I copy the entire prompt and open grok.com. This is a very amazing website for creating AI videos. After opening the website, I click on Imagine. This is a great tool for creating AI videos. If you want to make AI videos, this website is one of the best options, and you can easily create very high quality videos here. Next, you need to select the video size according to your needs. If you want to create Reels, select 9:16. If you want a normal video, you can select 16.9. After that, I paste the prompt. I have 6 prompts, so I paste them one by one. You can see that 6 videos will start generating together. You don't need to go anywhere else. On this website, you can create 6 videos at the same time. Just paste the prompts, and within 2-3 minutes, your videos will start getting ready. As you can see, the videos are now ready. The results are really amazing. You can also download the videos easily. I keep pasting all my prompts one by one, and after a short time, all the videos are generated. You can see the results are very impressive and look very realistic. You can also create videos like this very easily. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel and don't forget to like the video. You can also create videos like this very easily. Thank you for watching.